What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can clear your search history on YouTube. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to an YouTube app. After going to YouTube, then what you need to do, you have to click on the search bar. If you want to remove a particular search history on your YouTube, you need to click on this. Then you can see here is the option remove. This is how you can remove a particular one by one search history. What if you need to remove all the search history from YouTube? So what you need to do this, you have to click on this icon just like here your profile. Then what you need to do, you have to click on the settings in the top right corner. You have to click on history view all just like this. Here is all your watch history. Then what you need to do, you have to click on search settings just like here. You have to click on settings icon. Then what you need to do, you have to click on manage all history just like this. Manage all history. So after that you will land on a page just like this. Then here you can see here is the option called delete. You have to click on this delete option. Then you can delete pretty much today's search history of your YouTube. If you click on this delete today, all of your search history from today will be deleted. If you want to delete a particular date, you can choose this one, or otherwise if you want to delete all of your search history on YouTube, you have to click or delete all time. So this is how you can clear your search history on YouTube. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.